Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm gonna do something about this Nokia E52 that's faceless. The phone works, the display has some dead pixels and I need to change it. I have a new body shell for it, and other than that the phone works. Luckily, the last E52 that I wanted to restore died in my hand. So sad. Anyway, let's begin. And here it is. Except from missing the face and some dead pixels here, it works. Lucky me. Yeah, and I'll have this one for parts because this one, like I said, died in my hands. Unbelievable, but what can you do? Well, and to switch off. Out of curiosity, will it work? Oh, it one is dead as it can be. Mud off. Anyway, I'll just take the display from this thing first. Yeah, this one was tampered with. It's not even the same screws. Well, this is what I'm here for. Oh my god, it's glued. Oh man, it's horrible. I just saw this. Why did I continue? Oh. Bruh. Next. Okay, it's out. Well, this is looking much better. Now for the big guy. It's out. It was changed before. Meh. Alright, now. This is just a tryout. Well. Looks nice. Anyway. Some corrosion here, but not too much. Some corrosion here, a bit much. Well, not too much to clean here. I'll do a fast clean and be back to assemble it. Well, it's done. I cleaned it. Time to put it back together. Basically, this is the... Well, I'm gonna be completely honest, I do know that I'm missing something. Let's see, do you know what I'm missing? Actually, a matter of fact, I'm an idiot, I just realized. I have to take everything from here. What was wrong with me? Too many not slipping. Yeah. Well, I've cleaned the brain at least, now I'm taking the antennas. speaker and whatever. Come on, bro, get out. There we go. Ah, that's it. Now it's time to put it back together. Here we have the new body shell. So yeah, I do have one last thing to take from the feeling on this thing. And I don't like how this one is pressing, so I'll just have to take it from this other one. Some annoying buttons these are, am I right? Yeah, I'm right, of course. Okay, it's pressing quite nicely, I like it. Something like this. There's always one dust particle that's like glue to the screen, you know? Yeah, that's good enough. Alright, there we go. The pins were not making perfect contact with the main board, but now it's in harmony. These body shells, man. I had some non-original body shells and they were good, but man, this one stinks. Yep, well, it works at least. Oh, 0 dark towers, okay. If I will manage to find a better body shell than this, I will use it and change it, but until then it will stay like this, unfortunately. But the colors are awesome. The back, it's actually pretty good. The front, yeah. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And like always, I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself, and all the best. Bye.